Hi, welcome back to another Kidicode Ninja tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create a car racing game. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. Let's dive in. Okay, let's get started. Let's give our project a good name. Formula 1 and then bye-bye cat. Let's delete this cat. We're gonna import the sprites that we like. So you can go ahead and search for Formula 1 top view and make sure you say PNG so that the background is transparent. And then choose something and download it. So I've already done that, so I go ahead and upload it from Upload Sprite, and I'm gonna download and upload this. Okay, wow, it's huge. Let's make it like 10. Okay, pretty cool. Now we need a racing area, so let's go to the backdrop and draw it. I click on the paint, and then what I'm gonna do is choose a green color so that looks like it's grass, and then paint the whole thing. So apparently we need to draw this. Okay, so this is my background, and then we need the road. Okay, now let's take a brush and choose a color suitable for the road, and then also make sure this is wide enough so that a car fit in it. I would go a little wider, maybe 100, and then I'm just gonna quickly draw this. I'm gonna add a bit of cosmetic to it. Okay, so this color, and let's put some lines here with a very narrowed one this time. And then we need the start line. So let's choose a different color also here. Red. So this is our start line. And let's write the code now. Okay, let's start writing the code. As usual, first thing, when green flag clicked. So the first thing is that I want my car to go to the start line, which is also the finish line because it goes several laps. And by putting it here, I've already set the location of X and Y, so I would say I only need to drag this, go to -126, which is where the car is right now, and I also want it to point to the right direction, so I would say turn or point. Where is point direction? Point towards. So point in direction 90. So what is right now is 90. Okay. So this is the starting point. And now let's write the movements. I want to control it with left and right arrow as well as up and down arrows. So So I go to events. I want to control it by pressing right, left, up, down arrow. So when up arrow clicked, if up arrow clicked, I want to turn upwards. So I would say motion turn 15 degrees. I'm gonna test here. So I'm pressing up. So it's the other way around. Okay, so in that case I should say -50 so that it works correctly. Okay, and then if I say I'm gonna duplicate this 2 more times. So for a down arrow, my car should turn 15 degrees. So let me try it. I'm clicking here and then I'm playing with my keyboard. So I play down, it's turning 15 degrees. Okay. And then for up arrow, for actually right arrow and left arrow. For right arrow, I want to move forward. So this time I don't need turn, the same as this one. I'm gonna move or maybe glide. Let's do move first, see how it looks like. So right, move 10 step, and then left, move -10 steps. Okay, so far I can control this car. Let's press start. It goes to the starting point. With right, it goes here. I press up, turns down, turns downward. So far this is movement. Okay, in the next video we're gonna see how we can count the number of laps that the car is taking in a certain time, and also we're gonna see how we can change the speed of the car so that it's moving faster here but it's becoming slower when it's on the grass. One more thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna make the car collapse when it's outside the road. So when it's coming here, it should sort of become slower and then crash. So try to think about the solution of these 3 things. If you know how to do it in your Scratch and put a link of your project on the comment below. If not, join me in the next video so that we can do it together. See you soon next week. Bye.